I'm running late and I suck at vlogging, but welcome to a day in my life. All right, what is going on? It's too early for this shit. I was running so late that this is my breakfast, a nice healthy Nutri-Grain bar. I don't think this is healthy at all, but I'm not even gonna look at that. We're just gonna eat it because I'm hungry. Anyways, what's up? It's your girl Rachelle. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today, I thought it would be really fun. I've never done this on my channel, and I thought it would be really fun to just take you along in a typical college day. Okay, what is going on? So it is currently 8:30. We were supposed to leave 30 minutes ago. We didn't. So we've been playing tennis recently. We only played twice. I don't know why I said that like we're trying to be pro, but like we've only played twice. It's really fun. So we took the dogs with us because we like to just let them run around while we play. Bentley was like going ham. He was like chasing the ball, running back and forth. Like by the end of it, this boy was so tired. And so as we're like walking back to the car, he was like limping. And then we looked closer and he was bleeding. He just like ripped the pads on his feet. So we took him to the vet. They bandaged him up. I'll insert a picture of the little bandaged Bentley right here. So anyways, today was his last day, so we took the bandages off. It was a process trying to take these bandages off of Bentley. So, long story short, we're late. This is a long, boring drive, so I'll see you guys once I get to school.
Much later.
I'm done for the day, yes. I only had one class today. Had to turn in a test. We're learning about gender identity and all this stuff. It was interesting, but my eyes hurt because I was staring at a screen all day. I think we're gonna go to Starbucks too so I can finish homework and so Zach can do work. So I'll probably take you along to Starbucks. I'm just dead right now. If I sound monotone and just out of it, it's because I am. Class drains me. I was gonna try and film a little bit in class, like show you a little bit of my classroom, but I'm a bitch, so I was too scared that someone would get mad at me or I'd get caught or something, so I didn't. I wish we were able to get free Chick-fil-A today. On Monday, we got free Chick-fil-A because we took in our Clippers basketball ticket because we went to a game, and we got free Chick-fil-A, but it was only for Monday and they took our tickets so I couldn't go back and get more.
Whoa.
It's kind of messed up. It's like they knew I would do that or something, I don't know. So yeah, that sucks. But I think we're gonna get Starbucks, maybe get some food. I don't know, but I'm gonna take you along and I'm gonna stop talking now because I'm just pulling shit out of my ass. All right, see you in a bit. After 3 years of being in the car, we finally made it to Costco. We're gonna get lunch at Costco today. I'm feeling a salad. He's feeling a chicken bake, so.
Hey.
He has been acting crazy this whole car ride. I wish I could have filmed it and showed you guys how crazy he was.
Not acting crazy.
He was acting so crazy. Anyways, we're gonna get food and then. Oh my god, are you good? We're gonna go get food, probably shop around for dinner. Alright, what's up? What is up? I'm back from eating. Do I have stuff in my teeth?
Yep.
I would have stuff in my teeth without you telling me. No, I just have that huge gap that's forming now because of my Invisalign. I'm getting a gap in my front teeth and I don't know why.
It's fixing your teeth.
But I'm getting a gap at the same time, so it's just annoying. Anyways, done eating food. I got a salad today, which I'm so proud of myself. And water, no soda. It looks like I'm drinking soda, so it makes me feel like I'm drinking soda, but it's actually water. Well, right now, I'm going to Starbucks. Well,
Yeah,
right now.
We're gonna go to Starbucks. See you later.
Right now, we're going to Starbucks because I'm making Zach spend the whole day with me.
When do I not have a choice?
You don't like spending time with me?
Obviously.
Good, because I'm needy, bitch. I need to spend time with you all the time.
If you leave for 1 hour, then the day's ruined.
Yeah, literally I'll leave for like an hour or two.
She
like when
got
I got my nails done and I left and
worst day ever.
and Zach gets so sad when I leave. It's really cute. We're going to Starbucks right now because I'm gonna just do a little bit of homework. I don't know why, but I feel like I work better at Starbucks. It's probably all in my mind and I'm just like telling myself I do, but I don't know, I just feel like I get shit done. Fun fact, we went to a Starbucks, what was it? The other day, the day after I got my nails. So what was that, like 3 days ago? 2 days ago? I don't know, we went to some Starbucks and next to the Starbucks, they had this like dirt gated, like it was like a dirt square, but it was fenced off, right? And there were horses in there and I was like, that's really weird. Like what are these horses?
Where are you going with this?
Oh yeah, I'm telling him about the horses. And there were like horses in there and I was like, huh, that's kind of weird. Like why are there horses outside of this outside the Starbucks? And it was like kind of in a shopping area. There was like a Ralph's or something in there too. As we're sitting outside, we see these two women walk up, open up the thing, grab their groceries, get on their horses. Like they just went shopping and then they went on their horses and we're done. I just thought that was the coolest thing. that like instead of having cars, they're just chilling with their horses going shopping. What's up guys? I'm back home. I don't know why I just jumped into frame, like that was a good idea. I'm back at home now. I finished homework, but I didn't finish looking up my summer classes, so I'm gonna do that. Also, do you like my case? I found this at Savers for $6, I think. And it came with like the pink case, and then also like that keypad thing. I'm gonna break my computer trying to show you, but it's fine. And like the keypad cover thing, so I thought that was really cute. Also, let me show you what else was like $6. I don't even remember. I want to do a furnished house tour soon, but I like still have so much to get. But anyways, this little painting, it's the only thing over the tub, but it's cute, right? I'm gonna get more plants, I'm gonna decorate it. But for now, all we got is that Savers $6 painting. Another thing I wanted to show you, last night at like 1 o'clock in the morning, I was so eager to finish my closet. So like finish organizing my side of the closet. There's Zach's side, but let me show you my side. On this side, I just put like all my shirts, all my bags are up there. That's a little bit messy, but whatever, we'll fix that later. So I just have like all my tank tops, bodysuits, t-shirts, long sleeves, turtlenecks. Then I have jeans, some dresses. All of those up there are my hoodies. But then on this side, I just have a couple more pieces like my cardigans, some zip up jackets, jean jackets, and a flannel. And then up there, I just have all my hats and beanies and stuff. I keep my shoes down there right in the middle. And then my like suitcases over here. These are like my pajama, what's in here? Oh, that's like my underwear. These are like pajama shirts, which I can't even open because it's so full. These are like my leggings, my sweatpants and stuff. That just has bathing suits and like random shit, I don't even know. And then over here in this corner, back here, are some of the clothes I'm selling on Poshmark. I just organized my whole side of the closet and I was so proud, so I just had to show you. We've been living in this house for over a month now and I just finally now organized my side. It was a mess before, oh my god. I still have to pick out my summer classes. I'm sure I've said this before, but my major is communications. I know someone might ask. Before this one, I went to a college in Santa Monica, but that school just was not a good fit for me. So I basically stopped going, and then I found the school that I'm going to right now and I love it. I try so much harder at school than I ever have, and I definitely think the place you go to school is like the most important thing. Like you have to be comfortable at the school you go to in order to do well, you know what I'm saying? I definitely love the school that I go to, so that's what I'm going to school for. I'm taking psychology classes too though, because I don't want to major in psychology, but psychology just interests me. It's like my favorite thing to learn about. I just think it's really interesting to understand how people work, how their minds work, how everyone's wired differently, and why everyone's wired differently. What is going on with you? What is wrong? I'm gonna figure out my classes and then I will catch you guys after. Also, can we just take a second to admire that highlight? Like I can see that in my viewfinder. I definitely did my makeup in the dark this morning. I was just like, go for it. We are gonna make dinner now. I finished all my stuff for school and now it's time to grub. We're gonna preheat the oven, put in what we got. I think, what did we get? We got
chicken Alfredo. Chicken Alfredo.
We're eating chicken Alfredo for dinner and I'm so excited because I love pasta and carbs. That was my little song, hope you enjoyed. This is my favorite part of our entire house. It says, my kids have paws.
Who's that pick me?
Yeah, because you didn't take one of me and the boys. We never showed you guys this. We talked about this in our house tour video. What are you doing over there?
I have a pimple.
Oh. We got this and it finally came in. It's a fireplace. We were gonna go to the gym, but honestly, I'm so tired and it's so cloudy outside. I kind of just want to get in my pajamas, watch some Vanderpump Rules, and just chill because I'm so tired. I think that's what we're gonna do tonight. We're just gonna eat dinner, have a chill night. Dinner is ready. Ready to dig in?
Mm-hmm.
Hell yeah, look at that
Rachelle burned
shit.
my hand and gave me 3rd-degree burns.
I did it. You're such a liar. All right, what is up? It's hours later. We already had dinner. I kind of want pinkberry, so we're gonna get pinkberry, and I think we're gonna go shopping for a little bit. Zach doesn't know that's the plan, but that's the plan. And then we have to go to Home Depot to pick up some like grass feed stuff because our grass is starting to die because we suck at watering it. So we're gonna get some nutrients and then keep up with watering it. But yeah, that's pretty much the plan. We just got pinkberry. I couldn't wait, I already started eating mine, but this is the best stuff ever. Also, I got a little headband from Forever 21, so that way when I do my makeup, my hair's not in my face. We're back home, so now we're just gonna feed the dogs and then call it a night. I'm ready to go get in bed and just sleep. I'm so tired because I spent all last night organizing the closet, so barely slept. I'm just ready to go to bed. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below if you're new to my channel. And thank you for coming along with me in a typical day of school. I'll see you guys in my next YouTube video. Peace out, Girl Scouts. Mwah. Bye.